in this video.
It's really nice with like the sun coming over.
We'll take you with us.
Yeah, let's go. The island Nusa Penida is located next to Bali. It's quite easy to get there by boat. And we went to the harbor of Sanur at the coast of Bali, and we were able to get a fast boat to the island. It was a bit of a bumpy ride with a lot of waves, but in around 40 minutes we got there. So the start of our island trip was actually really good.
Hello!
Welcome to Nusa Penida! So for the next 3 days we're here at the island.
Yeah, we're gonna discover the island, go snorkeling, do some beaches.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun, I think, because the island is stunning. Of what we've seen so far, it's really nice.
And we'll take you with us.
Yeah, let's go. So our trip started really well. We had a nice hotel, and the first afternoon we just chilled at the pool. We had some nice dinner, and then the day after we rented out a scooter and we went exploring. We had no idea that it would all turn out differently. It's really early in the morning, and we decided to go to a very popular beach and viewing point, Kelingking Beach and Point. It's really early in the morning.
Yeah, but that was really worth it because usually this whole thing is
It's packed.
jam-packed. And now there's
Now there are
6 people.
We're looking at it right now.
Yeah, we're
And
here.
It's amazing. Let me show you. It's a dinosaur. The dinosaur. The sun is coming out.
Yeah.
You can still see a tiny tail of it in the back. I think it's more a dinosaur. No, what was it I
You
said?
said it's more a whale.
A whale than a dinosaur. Yeah. I think it's a whale kind of shape. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
It's really nice with like the sun coming over. Yeah, we're not gonna walk all the way down because it's not. It's a terrible path.
Yeah.
Apparently.
Yeah, it's terrible.
We saw a lot of people coming back as well. They tried to get down and then
it's
they.
very steep and it's just rocks. It's not really stairs. Also read online that you can't put full pressure on the
railing.
because there's a chance it will break because it's not like.
Yeah.
Downstairs is about 60 minutes and up can take up to 180 minutes. So it's like
That's
3
crazy.
hours.
Yeah.
No,
Thanks.
not really worth it because you can't really see the thing itself because you're walking on it. So.
Exactly. I think from here you have the best like viewing point. You can't really swim right now because the waves are huge. Well, you can see it in the back. The waves over there. But this was cool.
Really cool vibe.
Yeah.
Definitely recommend if you're going. Oh Jesus, I'm falling. But if you go, just go early.
Kelingking Beach was nice, and we decided to move on to Broken Beach. Woo. Yo, look at the water. I'm just kind of tripping over, but yeah.
Yeah, we're at Broken Beach.
Yeah, well, and we kind of discovered that the road up to Broken Beach is broken.
It's
I don't know
pretty
if this,
broken.
Yeah, this is not that broken, I think. Can you even get there?
I don't
can't
think
get
you can
no.
get the beach.
No, that's not. Yeah, maybe by boat, but oh my gosh!
Look at the water over there.
Ah,
Wow.
it went all the way up. Wow. Okay, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Still, up to this point, everything was good and we enjoyed the views a lot. Especially Tim, who was enjoying the huge waves. I think in the back you have the other beach, Angel's Billabong.
Yeah,
Like-
it's not a beach, but
Yeah, okay. But I think the view is the same as from up here, right? And maybe this is even cooler because you've got this hole and you can walk all the way. Wee-oo.
yeah, I'm just searching if it's what it is, but it looks like
A few minutes later.
je hebt hier extra water ertussen of zo.
Ah. Hola. This is kind of our dessert, right? Because we've already ate some
Or
eggs. Yeah.
breakfast brunch.
Did it taste good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a nice place as well.
Yeah, it's a really cute place.
In the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. And you've got like funny things hanging on trees. Like, what are these? They look like big melons or big, like, I don't know. XXL tomatoes. Well, enjoy.
Thank you. You too.
So after we had this delicious food, we drove to the other side of the island, towards Diamond Beach. When we were about halfway on the island, something unfortunate happened. We slipped with our scooter or motorbike, however you want to call it, and I was relatively fine, but Tim was not, as I kind of fell on top of him. His shoulder was dislocated and he was bleeding from his chin. Fortunately, some people stopped by, some locals as well, and they helped us out really, really well. So that was just amazing. We got to a medical emergency clinic and they could help out Tim. Well, they could fix his chin, they stitched it, and make an x-ray of his shoulder. But to put the shoulder back, we had to go to Bali. So yeah, off the island, back to Bali it was. We got medical transport. I rushed to our hotel to get all of our bags and stuff. And yeah, that was kind of our stay at Nusa Penida. A bit shorter than we wanted it to be. Eventually, Tim got good medical care and he's all fine now. We feel sad that we could not see more of the island, but things could have ended worse. So thanks to everyone that helped us out, and maybe someday we can come back. Thankfully, there is more to come, so thank you for watching and please subscribe to get all of our updates and also not to miss out our next adventures. Bye bye!